Hello folks, welcome back to Skolaro YouTube channel, and today we have a very interesting topic to discuss on. Well, being a content creator, we all would have tried to figure out the different algorithms of different social media platforms. Well, today we are going to talk about how to create an engaging content for your YouTube channel. Well, let's agree to one thing, that YouTube can be one of the trickiest social media platform when it comes to comparing other social media platforms, because grabbing somebody's attention is one thing, but that does not work here. Holding on to that attention for a really long time is something that how YouTube's algorithm system works. So let's talk about how to create more engaging videos that will rank higher on YouTube. Let's get started with it. Well, the first and the foremost mantra is to stop wasting time trying to figure out how the YouTube system works. Because the YouTube algorithm is so complex that the moment you feel that you've figured it out, it is going to change. So make sure you're making the quality content and not trying to beat the system. So keep that in mind whenever you create a content. Second and the most important mantra is to know your audience. Make sure that you know your audience in detail. What is their age group? What do they do? What's your customer segment? What do they like to watch? And what is the word of trigger for them that will capture their attention? Nobody is going to like, share or subscribe to your channel unless they feel that your content is useful to them. So you have to make sure they realize that it is a useful content for you to be benefited by it. Next up is to be clear and give reasons to stick around. Make sure that the viewers know in 10 seconds that what you are going to walk them through the entire video. Within 10 seconds, you have to describe what benefits are they going to get from the video. So they have to keep watching it ahead. And if they like it, they can give you all the benefits that you require to grow your YouTube channel. Next up is pre-production. Well, good quality content is not something that is created suddenly or out of nowhere. Well, this has to be properly planned before you start shooting each and every clip. So to get the properly engaging content, you have to make sure that your resources are aligned. You have a proper camera setup, you have a proper microphone before you start shooting the video, because that is going to make sure that you get a good engagement on your content. Next up is taking risk with your contents. You might be trying to figure out all the types of algorithm, what might work out with your content, what not. But always try to make sure that you are creating something unique, because you never know what clicks and what the audience would like. Just make sure that you're using the right hashtag to engage the right audience. And also do not forget to keep the right attitude while shooting the video. Make sure you have a louder voice than usual when you talk to people, and you have maintained eye contact throughout the video from the camera, because that's something that will engage more people and that looks more interactive. So yes, do not forget to do that. The last and the most crucial thing that you need to keep in mind while posting the video is the headline and the description of the video. You may already be creating an engaging content on your YouTube channel, but simply the lack of right keywords and hashtags might make you lose out on the right audience. So make sure you're using Google keywords to look for the correct description and the hashtags, which is more popular. They will give you all sorts of suggestions. Also look for at least 10,000 global monthly keyword searches. That will help you again. You can also install the extension called vidIQ. This will help you analyze other competitors' website and try to copy their hashtags, because if you're creating the same kind of content, it will work out for you. That's all for today, and please make sure you like, share and subscribe this video if you like it, and let us know what can we come up with in the next video.